Sunday fun day. Right. Are you still watching? Please hit that like button and we continue to building. As you see, there used to be a window here. Somewhere. I assume. Yeah, it probably was. And they just made it from wherever they found the piece of logs. So there's one piece, another one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. It's like a Lego blocks. It's probably, you see, the house is not very straight. You see that log over there, it goes slight angle. There's a wood attached over here. So that means that this pole is slightly higher than the others. And the reason for it, don't know. This house is about 80 years old. Now I'll need to do the same with the small ones. There's logs literally everywhere. Every couple centimeters there's a nail. Small ones I'm gonna do with a hammer. Because it's simple. Just like that. That's how many nails. Took me about an hour to take them all out. Measure, it's 136. That's how it looks like. So plank, 1 meter, plank, 1 meter. This membrane will go across, and you see there's a polystyrene there. So I'm going to do exactly the same way. But first, I will need to fill the gaps like this one here. All around the woods, like you see the gaps over there. So I use this gun. Put foam everywhere, so literally in every gap. For now I left this gap because it's quite a big gap over here, so I'm going to do exactly the same way I've done here. Look what they did, the bloody mouses. They eating my polystyrene. So I cut 5 centimeters, and I done that because when I put this one in, it slides perfectly like that. And over here. I do 28.5. 28.5. I'm gonna use this bit that is left from that corner there, so it fits in this place there. And I'm gonna do that for the rest of the room. Left the gap over here because there's a chimney. It should be pretty hot over here, so I don't want to use polystyrene over there. I need to sort out the mess. And then once that's done, I'm gonna try to replace my window.